Hello, Clarissa here at Milam Truck Country, located at 500 River Road in Puyallup. Today we're looking at a white 2008 GMC Sierra Denali. It does come with your standard headlights and fog lights, 20-inch aftermarket wheels with all-terrain tires, turn signals in the mirrors. Let's take a look on the inside. The interior is a tan leather interior, dual climate control and heated seats, digital touchscreen media display with navigation, CD player, AM/FM radio, auxiliary connection, OnStar capabilities, Bluetooth and media control and cruise control integrated into the steering wheel, and all of your power options, windows, locks, seats, and mirrors. Also does have memory seating. The back seat does fit 3 adults comfortably. It also does have a Panasonic DVD entertainment system, and the seats fold up for extra storage. Class 3 tow hitch in the back, along with a bed rug and truck bed extender. All of our inventory here at Milam Truck Country does go through a thorough service and safety inspection and is beautifully detailed so that you can purchase with confidence. Give one of our sales representatives a call today at 253-845-1766. And thanks for clicking on our virtual tour.